too. Do you do you think it will be as easy as like you're building an app and it's one click, two clicks, or chunk of code here or there, easy to deploy, this kind of tech, or it's like more
Yeah.
top of mind?
I mean, at this point, like, of course, it's always like a layer. It's like a layer deeper than the regular internet and all that stuff. And it is, you have to learn Web3 specific things to develop these things. So I guess as Web3 grows in general, I see more the adoption, onboarding getting easier in general for everyone, just naturally as the tide rises, right? I don't think, maybe I'm being pessimistic, but I do think there will probably always be a little layer of abstraction there where it's not as seamless as Web 2, but we can make it as close as possible. And there's something to be said for it not being exactly the same as Web 2. Like, this is different. You do have to jump through these hoops to get these benefits, right? So
Yeah,
I would like
makes
it to be
sense.
easier, but I a fusion would be nice, but I do think it's its own like kind of separate system.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
I think the one thing that Solana as a whole does really well is, at least from my personal experience, a lot of the people building the apps are very user experience centered. So a lot of the
Yes.
decisions that get made, um, it's very nice. I don't know how to like phrase it other than like if you just download Fanta, like it's
Yeah, it's cool. It's got
if
the
that's
little
your
purple
first wallet
ghost.
experience, that is a
Yeah,
great wallet experience. Like
exactly. Little purple ghost, man. It looks good. It's got good colors. It's pastel. It works. It's fast. Like, yeah.
yeah, I feel like they do that really well. Like a lot of the apps get built very nicely. Even like some of the more complicated apps that I've seen, um, the user experience is like pretty good for an alpha or even a beta. Yeah, I think I was looking at your website. I think even for like uh, uploading like an image. Like I've seen a couple of your videos where you're like, here's some of my favorite anime, and I'm like putting this on the block. Like it looks so simple. Like
Yeah.
compared to Bitcoin inscriptions or whatever, like which is not even that long ago. Like it's very
A lot
straightforward.
of yeah, well, a lot of this has been trying to make it straightforward, right? Because when you're sending a million billion transactions, you obviously have to sign them all, right? So on the wallet interface, you can batch sign, right? And it does them all up, and then you just sign them all at once, but it still takes the wallet like maybe 50 or 100 milliseconds per transaction. So that can take quite a while. So what we did is we use something like Privy or Turnkey, which is like, so the user has embedded wallets, and it is decentralized, but it's like automatic signing without you having to manage the user keys, because it splits the user key up into three separate parts, and the user provides their part, they provide their part, your website can provide a part. So that's been good for kind of helping the UX. But yeah, the biggest challenge going from the CLI to the website is signing all these transactions.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You see that happen sometimes too. I know there was an app that I was using on the Ethereum side, and it was like 6 signatures, and I was like, Jesus.
Yeah. And on Ethereum, right, it takes a lot longer. Yeah.
Yeah, it does a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So yeah, I think you guys are doing good on that sense.